As you create the series for your students, you want to be organized on the front end in order to be able to efficiently produce podcasts. We're going to build a warehouse to store your clips. Of course, the most obvious place to store clips is on your desktop in a folder. Another good place for storage is your Google Drive. If you have a MacBook or PC, simply go to the internet, search for Google Drive, find a version that you can download for your computer, and then you will have a Google Drive on that computer. It's fairly simple. Let's transfer files from your iPad to your MacBook or your PC. Did you know your iPad is like a flash drive? The cord that plugs into your iPad has a USB port on the other end, just like a flash drive. Plug the appropriate parts into your iPad and your computer. Make sure you allow your computer to access the photos and videos on your iPad. You should see the internal storage for your iPad pop up in the middle of your desktop. Click on that and then click on the DCIM folder that comes up next. Do the same for the Apple file. Keep clicking through until you see the photos and video clips from your iPad. You can choose which ones you want and drag and drop to the desktop. Once on the desktop, you can drag and drop your files into your warehouse on the desktop. Or you can also drag and drop to the Google Drive. In my warehouse on my desktop, I have a folder for reusable clips. I keep generic openings and closings, like this opening for the ILC, and this closing that gives Facebook and OrgSync information for the ILC. Creating these generic openings and closings allows me to use them over and over again for as many videos as I want in my series. Therefore, I create a consistency that students come to expect when they watch my videos.